friends and family. No, I'm kidding. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So we're here for another video, and today I want to show you guys my new Brandon Blackwood handbags. Now, I've been obsessed. I bought something during Trunk Week. We had it earlier this year. I bought something during his fall collection. I actually bought 2 handbags from his fall collection, and then I bought a freaking In Systematic Racism from his what bags are those? Yeah, I bought one of those bags, the In Systematic Racism bags. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Welcome back to my channel. Definitely subscribe. How are you? It's good to see you, and I have missed you. Okay, just to get started, we're gonna start with the bag I got first, which is during Trunk Week. Don't mind my box. It got a little dusty and some stuff on it, but we're not gonna worry about that. But so this is what it looks like. I got a trunk during Trunk Week. It was the Tan Lizard embossed leather trunk. So one thing about Brandon Blackwood is he started using leather instead of vegan leather for his handbags, so his handbags in price went up, which is understandable because he's using leather now. So I think he kind of might still have some like archived vegan handbags, but for the most part, most of his handbags now are made of leather. So that is what the price jump is conducive of, which is okay. So I think this trunk ended up being $300. Now with the box, it has like this little cutout shape, which is cute because it like actually made for the handbag. So it comes in this little dust bag, which is like more of a canvas dust bag than the dust bag before, which was more of a cloth material. So this is what that looks like. This is the Tan Lizard. We have the gold accessories on the bottom, on the handles, the knobs. The handle, because I can't take this off with my nails. I got this color because I thought it was so cute, and I'm just like, oh, it's so classy, it's so cute. All the colors, I wanted all the colors, you guys. And another thing he changed about the trunks was that now they have an actual B on like the, I don't know what this is called, the little lock part. Still, there's no real opening space for the trunks. It did come with the extra strap. So that is what it is. Of course, it's still in the same color and Tan Lizard pattern. So you get attached that. I thought this was so classic and just so cute. And I feel like I can wear this every day, this color. Like I said, he came out with so many colors that I actually loved and I liked, and patterns. But guess what? I can't afford all those. So I got one, and I choose the one that I like the best. Now the next time I can get another trunk, it could be a more of a specific color. I mean, you know, a more out there color, because I have this one, which is more of a neutral color. So I absolutely love this Tan Lizard bag. Next thing I want to show you guys is, like I said, I ended up getting something from his fall collection, and I was like, at first I had got, oh, I forgot to say, I got this this little card wallet holder, whatever. It's the bamboo. He came out with, first it was only in black, and then he ended up coming out with it in several other colors. I like the orange one. I like the brown. I like all the colors, pretty much. But I ended up getting it in dark brown, and I mainly did that was, I was debating between the dark brown and the orange. It has the same little dust bag and the little cutout for the box, because I loved how cute this is. Like, this is so adorable. I really got this to go with my lizard trunk. Like, y'all, tell me that's not cute. How cute is that? Like, I absolutely love it. I didn't want to have to get, I don't even know if he came out with the bamboo one in the fall in the dark brown. I don't know. But, oh, I just love that. I love these two together. That was my main reason for getting it. In the dark brown. So that was cute. Then like I said, I was saying from the fall collection, that was part of the fall collection too. That's why I brought that up. Is I ended up getting, because he has this rewards program going now, and he ended up sending me a gift card for $50. I'm like, why, Brandon? Why would you do this to me? So I was like, I felt like I had no choice. I had to buy another bag. So I ended up buying the Kui. Is that how you say it? The Kui in the cow print with the pony hair. Oh my God, you guys, I absolutely love this print. It was so cute. He had a red and black checkered one and a green and black checkered. It was so hard to choose, basically. But I adore this bag. It's so cute. I'm kind of worried about the pony hair. Like, the handles are white. The little studs on the bottom are silver. But I just thought this was so adorable. And it does come with the additional strap. What else is in here that I didn't know about? Nothing. Okay, so it has this additional flap at the top for some privacy. And then as you look on the inside, that's about as much space as you got. You don't have a lot of space. You probably put your phone in here, your keys. That's about it. I just love this cow print though. Like, it's giving me everything. I absolutely love this. This is the cutest bag, you guys. So cute. So I'm so excited and glad that I got it. So there's that. Did I show you guys the additional strap? Let me show it to you really quick. The shoulder strap that it comes with. Like, this has a silver hardware, of course, because it wouldn't look right if it had gold to me. But this is what the additional straps looks like. Can't get the thing completely off. It's irritating. But yeah, that's really the gist of the Kui bag. This is definitely the small one, but I wanted it to be small. Prices, I'll probably have the price below. Everything will be linked below because I don't remember the price. But this cow print is everything. The one thing I'm worried about is the pony hair. Like, people complain about the pony hair. I've seen it on Instagram. Like, they're not, and on YouTube, like, people are not a huge fan of the pony hair. So I'm hoping, well, it's not like it's going to be an everyday bag, because you can't do everyday bag with pony hair because it, I guess, rubs off or whatever. So I kind of wish it was just didn't have the pony hair. Like, just skip the pony hair altogether. Okay. So moving on to the last one I got for the end systemic racism, and this is going towards his foundation. These bags that he came out with, he's like, I'm bringing it back, you guys. Because I remember when last year when he came out, I missed all of these bags. These bags run for $88. It's like he said, it's not going to come in a box. It's going to come in a, what is this? I don't know what kind of this bag reminds me of. But anyways, all the purchases of these bags go toward the foundation to organizations to end systemic racism. And you can see it, run rapid. You can see it on the bag. I ended up getting red. Woo! Like, okay. I ended up getting red. He came out with pretty much basic colors. It wasn't anything like when he dropped it last year in the fall, and it had all these different colors, all these different patterns. These were pretty basic, but even though they're for them being basic, they were still only $88. Very affordable, and it's going towards a good cause to end systemic racism. I like what it says on the bag, and it's a very well made, very cute bag. It comes with an additional strap. I need to open that. The amount of space you're gonna have in here is not a lot. It's basically kind of a mini handbag. You have enough for your phone and keys, and a wallet. That's pretty much it. It has this additional flap here, kind of for privacy, which we love that. But yeah, this is that little handbag right there. Absolutely love it. So excited for my handbags, and I love that I'm supporting Brandon Blackwood. I love his handbags. He's giving us variety. He's giving us so much, many different things. And I definitely plan on continuing to buy handbags, because, especially because I feel like they're such good quality, and in my opinion, they're affordable. They might not be affordable for everybody, but you can use Klarna, okay? You can use Klarna or ShopPay and pay for these purses, these handbags in full, okay? So, but I feel like they're very affordable. Very much on the Coach, Marc Jacobs, that trend. You know what I'm saying? So if you're buying those bags, you can definitely buy these bags. So anyways, and Michael Kors too. Do people buy Michael Kors anymore? I don't know. But anyways, guys, that is the 3 handbags and wallet that I got. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like this video, comment this video below if you like any of the bags. If you have any questions, what Brandon Blackwood bags do you have? Share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.